So when will you guys be back? Oh, I guess I'll just see you when you return. I guess I'll just get started. Hi, so I'm going to rebuild this commode and get it flushing like new again. Next on Tim's Sink. My wife's friend is having commode troubles, so I'm going to fix it for him while he takes her out to dinner at a fancy restaurant. I sure hope I don't let him down. I better get to work. First, I shut off the water supply valve. Now flush the toilet. You want to get all of that urine and feces water out of the tank. Remove the safety lid covering. The problem could be this red door. It could also be this or this. I bought this kit made by the Corky Toilet Company. They're in the USA. It's the most complete kit in the universe. Shh, it's the quiet fill technology. Running, noisy, leaky. Do they make a kit for my kids? Just kidding. A towel, yes. Do you have a towel? Where are your towels? Do you have a towel? Oh. Okay, thank you. I know, I disconnected the water supply hose. Now I can take out the innards. This is what works everything. I guess. I don't know. Okay, take off the tank. Oh God, I have to throw it in the air? I was not counting on that. Okay, well, I really don't want to. I dispose of the innards. Oh, for goodness sake. There we go. There's tank bolt number 1. Remove toilet tank mounting nuts. Number 2. Off with his tank. Remove sponge gasket. The sponge gasket. Yeah, I'm in over my head. You can do this. Remove old nut. Okay, I'm in way too deep. I have the tank totally void of any innards. I don't know these directions. I have the new innards kit, and that's the new the gasket flange. So now I just put it back onto the commode bowl. Reattach tank and tighten bolts. This is a critical step to ensure a proper seal. Attaching rubber hose to a clip. It is now installed. Reinstall the water supply hose. Turn on that H2O, okay? Reinstall safety lid cover. This is imperative to prevent flush. It works. Job well done. Well, it's now 12:13 a.m. It's been 5 hours. My wife and her friend are not back yet, and she's not answering her phone. I hope they're okay. It's raining.